We are doing the cinnamon challenge.
How come I got done? Wait, I need my trainer. Okay, I can do it.
Make sure.
I'm gonna laugh. Can I put my hair up first?
Yeah. Hold on. This is going on like my space kid.
Hey, it's my spot.
Okay. We're good. Okay, you go first.
No, we're doing it at the same time because we both got the video. Huh?
You have to swallow it all.
I'm gonna.
And if you're gonna like spit it out, go to the bathroom sink.
Bathroom sink?
Yeah, because okay, go drink a milk drink.
I feel like a turd. Shh, don't pay. Got people onto us. My upstairs are looking at us. Ready? Ready? One.
Is it on?
Yes, one.
Wait, let me check.
No, it's on.
No, because it could turn off. See, look at that. Oh, it's on.
Okay, ready? At the same time. One.
One, 2, 3.
Ew, you're so bad.
I'm crying. Never again. No again. No.
I can do the cinnamon challenge. It's easy.
It was a lot easier. Remember, I was a kid.
I bet you didn't take as much though. I think milk came out my nose.
It's all stuck up at the top of my mouth and my thing. I'm crying. Look at this. I'm crying. Are you crying?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah.
Okay, I spit out. It was spit though.
I just stood there like I didn't even chew, and then I tried to, and it started burning.
I tried. No, because when I took the first sip.
Okay, bye bye.